All right, I'm gonna take a look at this Makita BHP444. It's a 14.4 volt. It works. I bought it as in a group of needs repaired for parts of repair, and it works pretty good. So, but I don't really see anything wrong with it. I'm gonna open it up and just take a look and see if there's anything obvious that it might need replace, you know, that need repair or replacing. The brushes look about half worn, and I'll have to see if I have any brushes that size. Oh, that is stripped out. No, it's just full of gunk. Wow, okay. Those are dirty. Wow. Okay. Looks like I got the front one out. Yeah. This back one though. Okay. I don't know what TDF means. Got this drill from a eBay seller that was out of Lithuania, I believe. So it's an old drill, but that doesn't mean anything in terms of its usability, and it may make a perfect drill for somebody. My original plan with these power tools in particular was to try to donate them to a you know, a trade school or whatever, but I'm not finding anybody that wants them, you know, any trade schools that want them. So I've been putting them back on eBay, and I'm selling them at cost, you know, basically for the parts, whatever the parts cost me, whatever the parts in the drill originally cost me, and then I can buy more and fix more and hopefully entertain you guys. Okay. Oh, there's that one. I always forget about that on Makitas. Okay. I might not have needed to take that one out. Okay, that's all right. Yeah, it's a little nasty. Oh yeah, I did. So a little nasty inside. Let me, oh, there's a change lever, fell out. It doesn't, I mean, it's just a little dirty, that's all. It looks good otherwise. All right, let me blow it out real quick. Set that aside. Put that aside. All right, look, the armature looks good. Bearings look good. The field is just a magnet. That's pretty easy. They typically don't go bad. You guys got to listen to my air compressor. These are 440s. I don't know if I have any. Those are too thick. I don't have any. Okay. But I don't think they're all that bad. Yeah, I'll reuse them. Let me blow this out. I don't hear any rattle in the bearings. I'm gonna leave the bearings alone and oh, I had you right the first time. Well, that made it worse, didn't it? Okay, you're down all the way. I don't want you there because you're touching the fan. There it goes. Okay, now let's see. I keep saying that. You guys are like, yeah, sure, sure. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. The bomb went right in. Okay. Let me look at these screw heads. I don't have any other ones to replace it with anyway, so. Ooh. Maybe. Let me see. They're a little corroded. I think the ones that hold the transmission in are fine. So let's secure that. Oh, you know what? I haven't put the cover on yet. Almost did it again. I always forget to put the brushes in. Put the brush springs in. The brushes are in, but I forget often to put the spring back on. So let's do that while I'm thinking about it. That one's in. Down on your bad self there. There we go. Okay, and that one's in. Okay. Let me figure out these screws real quick. Go to the graveyard. I don't know if these DeWalt screws will work. One right there. I think it's too. No, that's just a pin. What I did with them. Yeah, I think I hear some rattling around. No, I saw the gear. Oh, there's some screws. Let's see if they're the same or similar. Oh, those might work. They're Torx. You can get an upgrade. All right, I'm back. Delivery. Okay, let's see. I have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. All right, let's do that. No, it's way smaller than that. What's going on? You're too small. 215. No. What is this one? Yeah. There should be a T10. Yeah, there you go. Grabbed the wrong one. It happens. To me, a lot. I do tend to know what I'm doing, so. But sometimes when the stuff's new, that's a Phillips. That's a Phillips. Especially when it's new to me. I wonder if I should put the, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put, I know somebody's screaming at me right now. They'll be screaming in the comments. You mixed the screws. I did. It's an old drill. Nobody should need to be in it again. and I don't have enough. So it'd either be all, it would be a Torx here and there, or, yeah, okay, that's in. Or like I did here, I've just got the, I put the, wait, hold your horses there. Yeah. So I got a couple of Phillips. Which are junk. Okay, brushes are in. All right. Let's see if it still works. All right, I charge this battery up. So that's the Makita BHP444 14.4 volt. Now this one will go on eBay and it will come with the battery. No charger, but with the battery. And it'll make a good drill. The Makita 18 volt charger that I have anyway will charge these. So you got to look and see if yours will, if you're interested in this. And there you have it. Nothing wrong with that.